Hey hungry foodies, welcome back to our kitchen. In honor of the ongoing avocado craze, today we're going to show you how to make a guacamole dip. This Mexican dish tastes best when eaten with chips, nachos, Doritos and so much more. Rich in dietary fiber and nutrients, this dish can be easily made at home and makes for the perfect movie time snack. Let's get cooking. To make this guacamole dip, you will need 1 avocado, 2 tomatoes finely chopped, 2 onions finely chopped, a handful of coriander leaves finely chopped, half a lemon, 2 green chilies finely chopped, 1/4 teaspoon of pepper and half a teaspoon of salt. To start, take a large bowl and put in the avocado. Add the tomatoes to it and mash them together. Next, add the onions and the coriander leaves and mix well. Finally, add in the lemon juice, chilies, salt and pepper and mix them until they become a fine paste. Your guacamole dip is now ready. Serve it with some chips or nachos and enjoy. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more. You can also like us on Facebook and follow us on Instagram.